So in this video, you'll learn how to change the in-game language in Where Winds Meet. To do so, you're going to navigate to the menu and then select Settings. Under Settings, you're going to scroll through the settings until you find Language, then select it. From here, you can see Game Language. Simply click on this drop-down arrow and choose a supported language from here. Bear in mind, you will need to install the language pack, so go ahead and install it. And once the installation is complete, you can keep track of it right here. You can go ahead and simply select it like so. And after a few moments, you should see that the language of the game has been successfully changed. If you want to switch back, just navigate back to the menu and select your language. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.